What's up, guys? Welcome back to another hockey card box break video, and today we're going to be taking a look at 1920 Series 1. Now, if you guys are collectors and you watch these videos a lot, you've probably seen a ton of this product because it was one of the big ones last year, Series 1 and Series 2, obviously, this product, but I've never opened this before since I just got back into the hobby, and I wanted to see if I can go ahead and get some Young Guns out of here. The reason we're doing a retail one is because A, I got it for cheap, and B, because you are guaranteed 6 Young Guns. So instead of doing a hobby box, I did this first to just get those Young Gun cards because we're searching for Mr. Quinn Hughes and his brother Jack. So that's really what I want out of this box. If I can get both of those, win, win, win. But if not, I mean, at least I'll just take one. If I was gonna get one, obviously I'd take Quinn. But yeah, as you can see by my, if you guys can see that back there, we got Quinn on the computer screen. But anyway, let's get right into this box and get these packs open. All right, let's tear into this box here. Let's get the trusty knife out and break this thing open. Here we go. So, like I said before, not opened this product before. This is my first retail box of this. So let's go ahead and get this guy open. And so yeah, usual stuff. 8 cards per pack, 24 packs in the box. Yeah, you can't get the really crazy exclusive stuff like you do in the hobby box, like the acetate cards and all that stuff. But in this, basically, you are guaranteed lots of packs and 6 Young Guns. So that's good. If you're hunting Young Guns, then this is the product to get. So there we go. There is it. I think I'm just going to leave that right there while we're opening packs, and we can go ahead and get started. So here we go with our first pack. I'm not going to leave any more ado. Let's just get in there. So here we go. Let's try to open these things up as quickly as possible and see what we got. I'll show you guys the base, and we'll move as quickly as we can here. So here we go. So here's what on the base cards. Some of these are sideways and some are vertical as always. So here you go. I like the foil logos the base has. That actually looks really cool. And here's the back right there. There we go. Got some stats, got all the usual stuff. All right, so we got Blake Coleman. There you go. And then we got ourselves a Bo Horvat, Alex Chason, Samuel Girard, and we have a UD Canvas in our first pack of Kyle Connor. There you go, one of those UD Canvas cards. Not one of the special rookie canvases or anything, but not bad. All right, cool. And then we got a Evander Kane, Brendan Dillon, and good old Duncan Keith. Nice. Next pack. I might even, in the middle of this, I might even mix these up a little bit. I might pull them out of the box and mix them up. That way they're not in like box order. Because I don't know, I feel like sometimes they put these in the box a certain way. All right, we got Mr. Mustache or Beard Brent Burns. We got Tomas Tatar, Josh Anderson, Dylan Strome, and we have a UD Canvas, another one of Nick Schmaltz. So there we go. We're getting lucky with the canvas cards right off the bat here. So there you go. Some good artwork there on the canvas cards. Nice. All right. So there we go. We got good old Mike Greener right there. And Tyler Toffoli. And Jacob Voracek. Got Matthew Barzal. Elias Lindholm. Is that a special card? It has a yellow border on the bottom, so that may be some kind of like a short print card. Maybe. Not really sure, but yeah, it has yellow. The bottom's different than this one. It's yellow. It may be different. I don't know. We'll put that aside. All right. Tyler Seguin. Ryan Strome. And we have a UD Portraits of Leon Draisaitl. That's not a bad one right there. There you go. If you're going to get a Portraits, that's a guy to get. Nice. Very cool card. All right. Oh, we got the checklist right there. We got Brad Marchand with Ryan O'Reilly, a guy I actually like. Yeah. Looks like he's talking some crap to Brad Marchand. It's perfect. And then Brad Marchand's probably going to lick him right after that. Anyway, moving on. All right. Boone Jenner. And then, oh, look at that. Leon Draisaitl again. Nice. Next pack. All right. We got Franz Nielsen. Dougie Hamilton in a green jersey. Nikolai Ehlers. And we got a Young Guns, our first one, and this is Rudolph's Balsers. There you go. There's our first Young Guns card. Not one that I wanted personally, but that's okay. We got one. There we are. I do like the look of these Young Guns in this series, though. Looks nice. There you go. Cool. Gives me hope for the new set. They're gonna look pretty good. Cool. First Young Guns. All right. Alex Killorn, Son Couturier, Eric Stahl, Rupe Hintz, something like that. Rupe Hintz, probably. All right, next pack up. Tyler Bozak, Leo Komarov, there you go. Nolan Patrick, Philip Grubauer, Chris Kreider, and we may have a base pack here. Marcus Sorensen, Christian Dvorak, Taylor Hall. Yep, base pack. All right, we got Kata Hat, Yanni Gord, was really good this year in the playoffs. Michael Granlund, Brian Rust, Jonathan Taves, Elias Pettersson, Jesper Bratt, and Josh Bailey. All right, well, we're getting a couple. That was a couple of base packs right there. Just base cards. All right, here we are. Mike Hoffman, Connor Sheary, Casey Sudeikis, Andrei Svechnikov. There we go. That's the right Svechnikov. Mr. Svechnikov to you. There we go. Doing a nice selly. And we got UD portraits of Mark Stone. Awesome. I like this guy. Very, very good for the Golden Knights this last year. Really looking forward to seeing him play again this year. All right. We got Mark Scheifele, Victor Hedman, and Jonathan Quick. Drew Doughty, Kristen Fisher, Oscar Klefbom, Evgeny Kuznetsov, love that guy. Michael Backlund, Nathan McKinnon, Nate Dogg, Brad Richardson, and Jared Spurgeon. We got Mikko Koskinen, Nick Bonino, Thomas Hurdle, Teenage Mutant Ninja Hurdle, and we got a UD canvas of Roman Josi. Just a regular canvas. That's our third one so far. Nothing special about that one. Just regular UD canvas card. All right, cool. All right, Antoine Roussel, Mark Stone. There's his base card. Alexander Radulov and John Klingberg. Another dollar star. Okay. And we got Michael Kempney, David Perron, Frank Vartano. Oh, and we got a Shooting Stars card. So is this, it's a right winger. It's not any weird parallel. It's just the blue one. But yeah, we got a Shooting Stars right wingers, which I think these are a little more rare than the other ones, which is that. So that's nice. This is a Blake Wheeler card. Very cool. That's a cool looking insert. I like that. Nice. Okay. Noah Hannafin, King Henrik, Tyler Bertuzzi, and Brett Pesci. There you go. Let's back up. Denny DeKaiser, Matthias Ekholm, Mark Stahl, and our next Young Guns. Oh, I saw the freaking Vancouver, and I thought it was Quinn. It's not. It's Zach McEwen. All right. Well, there's another Vancouver Young Guns. Oh, man, I thought it was Quinn. Dang it. That's all right, though. There's our second Young Guns. We're still due 4 more, you guys, so that's okay. There you go. JT Comfer, Zach Hyman, Brendan Sad, whatever. Nino Niederreiter. All right. All right, we got good old Anthony Cirelli, looking really good this last year. Jacob Chikrin, Matt Dumba, Max Pacioretty, Kyle Turris, Jacob Silfberg, Josh Morrissey, Henrik Borgstrom. There you go. All right, last pack of the right side of the box. All right, there we go. Philip Danault, Martin Jones, JVR, and we got another Young Guns, Carson Kuhlman. Now, I think this guy, from what I've seen, is pretty good. I'll have to check on that. I may end up eating my words there, but yeah, Carson Coolman. There's our third Young Guns. Okay, cool looking card. Yep, I like it. Alrighty, nice. All right, for the Bruins. Cool. All right, we got Sam Bennett, Tuukka Rask, Kyle Poso, and Michael Bodeker. All right, guys, so that was the right half of the retail box here. So let's take a look at the left half here, or second half of it. Let's go ahead and shuffle these packs up real quick so we get a nice mix. All right, and you know what? For now, since we have the box, I'll stick them in the box. All right, here we go. We got Kasperi Kapanen, Seth Jones, Chris Tierney. Ooh, we got a UD Portraits of Auston Matthews. Again, not a bad one to get. There you go. Nothing special, just a regular UD Portraits, but still, Auston Matthews card is always good to get. Very cool. All right, Alex Pietrangelo, Jans, Matt Calvert, and Sam Reinhart. Logan Couture, Mark Giordano, Troy Sticker, Casey Middlestat, Justin Schultz, Philip Seidel, Cal Clutterbuck, and Ryan Ellis. All base pack. Jordan Bennington, Jeff Carter, Marc-Andre Fleury, Derek Stepan. We got another Young Guns. Let's pull from the bottom here. Jesperi Kokanyemi, Nick Bukestad, and then we have Brian Little. All right, let's slow roll it. Here we go. I haven't been slow rolling the Young Guns, but oh, who we got? We got a Saber. Oh my God, no, that's right. This is the wrong year. Victor Olofsson. I don't know why I was thinking it might have been Jack Eichel. I don't think it's in this year. It's in a different year. Never mind. I'm an idiot. But Victor Olofsson, there we go. There's a Buffalo Saber, Young Guns. All right, we still got a couple of Young Guns to go, so we're not completely dead in the water. So there you go, Victor Olofsson, Young Guns. Auston Matthews. We got, do I have another Young Guns in here? I think I do. Maybe not. Jake Virtanen. Adam Lowry. Nope, we have a UD Portraits of... Why? Okay, that's enough. All right. Paul Stastny. Zdeno Chara. Max Domi. Corey Crawford. Thomas Chabot. Daniel Sprong. Braden Holtby. Radic Fex. Do we have Young Gun? Yes, we do. Okay, and that's not the one we want, I don't think, anyway, but all right. We got Philip Forsberg, base. We got Oscar Lindbaum. Very awesome that he's healthy again, so can't wait to see him start playing again. Let's see. Jesper Fast, the Rangers. Okay, and here we go. Let's slow roll this guy too. I'm not sure who it is, but who is it? Oh, it could be Jack. It's not. It is Jesper Bobquist, not the correct New Jersey Devil. Dang it. I got baited again, just like with the other Vancouver Canuck. That sucks. All right, well, anyway, there you go. Another Young Gun. Ryan O'Reilly. Frederick Anderson. Tyson Jost. Andre Platt. Oh, and I didn't even see that. We have another Young Gun. Connor Buneman. No idea who this guy is. Connor Buneman for the Flyers. Okay, I may only have one Young Gun left after that one. Okay, so, yep, Jeff Petrie. So our dream of getting both of the Hughes brothers is definitely done. Tom Wilson. Robert Thomas. I had a feeling this pack wasn't going to be my favorite. All right, Mackenzie Blackwood. Rasmus Dahlin. Matt Murray. Elias Lindell. Jean-Gabriel Pajot. Teuvo Teravainen. Jake DeBrusk. Shea Theodore. All base. David Krejci. Roberto Luongo. Kyle Palmieri, Dominic Simon, Bobby Ryan, William Nylander, Marcus Foligno, Sid, adult Sid. All right, Nick Ritchie. Okay, we got Series 1 checklist with Austin Matthews and Johnny Hockey. I like that one. That's a good one. Cool. All right, Torrey Krug. It's a cool picture. Oh my God, we have a UD Canvas Young Guns. I don't know who it is. This could be really good. This could be our magical pack. Hold on. All right, let's slow roll this. All right, Damon Severson, Braden Shen, Nicholas Hjalmarsson, Johnny Carlson. Okay, you guys, we have a UD Canvas Young Guns. I don't know if this is autographed or anything, but this is better than, it's a Black Hawk. Who could that be? I don't know who that is. Some of you guys probably already know who, number 28. Who is that? Alexi Sarella? Alexi Sarella. So this is definitely not the Canvas Young Guns we'd want. We wanted the Quinny Hughes one, but all right, it's better than a regular Young Guns, I guess. So all right, UD Canvas Young Guns of Alexi Sarella. Okay, Anthony Duclair, Alexander Wenberg, Charlie Coyle, Johnny Hockey, Victor Arvidsson, Louis Erickson, Hampus Lindholm, Darnell Nurse. I'm gonna need a nurse after this freaking thing because yeah, we're getting shafted right now, boys and girls. All right, last pack. Here we go. Last pack magic, hopefully. Yep, we got a jersey in our last pack. Thank God. You know what? That was kind of cool. At least I saved the jersey for the very last pack. Let's hope it's something good here. Okay, pull from the bottom. We got Dylan Larkin. We got Alexander Barkov. All right, Kyle Clifford, Shea Weber, Ryan Suter, and okay, here we go. It's red. I think it's gonna be, yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be anybody I like. Okay, here we go. UD game jersey of, oh, okay, Shea Weber. All right, not bad. Okay, at least it's Clap Bomb Man himself, Shea Weber. That's not a bad one to get. All right, cool. There you go, nice little white swatch right there of the Stanley Cup. Not autographed, nothing crazy like that, but we did get a jersey card like we're supposed to. Here you go. Congratulations, you received a trading card with Shea Weber and a game-used, game-used memorabilia that has been certified. Nice. So it is a game-used jersey. There we go, you guys. There's our jersey card. All right, guys, let's finish this off with a quick recap here. So, all right, yep, we got one Shooting Stars insert right there, the Blake Wheeler. Our portraits, we got Leon right there, not a bad one. We got Mark Stone and Austin Matthews, which those are some really good cards there. Our canvases, we got a Nick Schmaltz, Kyle Connor, not bad, and Roman Yossi. All right, our Young Guns, whole lot of freaking meh here. Nothing good, honestly. We got Rudolph's Balsers, Carlson Coleman, Zach McEwen, Victor Olofsson, Jesper Bovquist, Connor Bunneman. And we did get a Young Guns UD Canvas though. That's kind of cool, of Alexi Sarella. That's a cool insert that one of our Young Guns ended up being that. And then, yep, cap it off, we got a Shea Weber UD game jersey. So that's really the, I don't know if it's the highlight or whatever, but there you go. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it. This box, honestly, sorry to say, whole lot of freaking meh. Not my favorite, but anyway, maybe we'll do another one. I'll probably have to get a hobby box of this and see if we can do a little bit better. But anyway, if you enjoy card breaks like this, make sure you go ahead and give the video a like. And if you want to see more content that I put out on my channel, not even just hockey cards, but the rest of my videos that I do, make sure you get subscribed with notifications on so you don't miss any of that stuff. But anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.